Welcome to Big Puffin Eats. Candy yams are a staple in my house for Thanksgiving, and we live in the Northwest, but normally in your southern states it's a southern style dish. But I'm going to show you today how we make it out here in the Northwest. In our saucepan right here, let's make sure we're on medium heat, and then let's combine all of our ingredients: sugar, orange juice, butter, cinnamon stick, and our bourbon. That's right, our bourbon. So get some bourbon in there, our nutmeg, and our salt. We're gonna bring this to a boil and we're gonna stir this bad boy around, and then we're just gonna let it simmer and thicken. This should take about 10 minutes, guys. And this is gonna add a nice flavor and sweetness to our candied yams. And then once we're done, we're gonna get rid of the cinnamon stick and we're gonna remove it from the stove. 3, let's get our potatoes ready to go. First, we're gonna go ahead and get them peeled. And we're gonna do 5 potatoes here, about 3 pounds. And then we're gonna go ahead and slice them into 1/2-inch rounds. So we're getting them all ready to go. And then we're gonna put them in our baking dish. And that syrup that we cooked earlier, we're gonna go ahead and pour it over the potatoes. And then we're gonna cover it with aluminum foil. My favorite part of the video, it's time to eat. We're gonna try these candied yams. They're pretty hot. Oh my gosh. Yes, so good and sweet. These are amazing, guys. If you like recipes like this and you got a lot of value out of this one, go ahead and click the tap to screen now to get more recipes, and I'll catch you in the next cook.